Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to be making a custard. So, calling all pastry chefs and calling anyone with a sweet tooth. Let's do it. All right, let's do it. We're going to go to my week. I already chose it in my app and it's waiting for me right here. Okay, here we go. Custard. Some people ask me what custard is. Well, in Spain, it's actually a very typical dessert. We eat it the same way that you will eat a yogurt. And over there, it's called natillas. But custard, when it's thick, it's also the cream that goes inside the pastry. So when I have a chef that needs a demo, I always start with custard. Let's do it. 2 to 3 ounces of sugar. Let's add some sugar right here. 2 to 3 ounces. When I have a range, I always go in the middle. So 2 to 3, I'll do 2.5, right? 2.5 it is. Then we are going to next, and we're going to do 1 ounce of cornstarch. The more you put, the thicker the custard is going to be. So you could actually choose to go a little under or over. But I'm going to follow the recipe the way that it is. And this one's going to be pretty thick. There you go, 1 ounce. The natillas recipe that the Cook I Do has in Spanish has way less. So this one's gonna be pretty thick. And that's good, right? Now we're going to cover it. Going to go 30 seconds at speed 10. We're going to grind it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like smoke around here. And that is because we were grinding sugar and cornstarch, and now look, whoa! It's just all powdery. Whoops, you see, all powder. All right, so now we're going to continue. I made a mess, but that's my signature, right? So it's okay. 17.5 ounces of milk. Let's do it. All right, 17.5 ounces of milk. I cannot see from here. 17, okay, a little more. And a little. There, we are goody. Then 2 large eggs. I already have them here, so let's put 2 eggs. Perfect. We're going to cover it. So now it's going to cook for 8 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to clean this mess. But you see, I barely did anything. I'm just putting a few things and now I'm going to walk away. So I had a chef that was looking at this. 8 minutes, 195 Fahrenheit and speed 4. I'm gonna turn that and it's just gonna go for 8 minutes. I'm going to be like not doing anything here, right? Yep. So this chef, he was looking at this and 8 minutes later, she was like, you have custard and you didn't do anything? Perfect second set of hands. See you in 8 minutes.
A few moments later.
Crazy, right? Can you hear it? And are you tired? You cook a whole 8 minutes. It's gonna smell amazing. Oh my gosh, it already does. I wish you were here. So now 2 tsp of vanilla extract. So right here, 1 and 2. We're going to cover it. So right now we have a liquidy product. We're going to mix it up. So we're gonna mix it up for 10 seconds. Speed 5, stirring. And done! All right, I got my custard. Serve warm or cold. Okay, perfect. Ideally a little colder because right now it's really, really hot, but I always like it. So we'll see. We'll see what I do. So right now I cannot show you like this because it will fall. Let me see if I can do it. Dummy Cook at his best. I'm going to show you how I pour it. And you can see here, is the custard and the liquidy because it's still very hot. But we're going to let it rest. And then I'm going to come, I don't know, like in 5 minutes. Okay. And I'm going to show you how it looks. And it's going to be amazing. I cannot show you how it tastes. You need a Thermomix for that, I'm sorry. So let me cover this. And like I said, I'll be back in 5 minutes and I'll show you how the custard looks like. Because right now I cannot tilt it. So we waited a few minutes and now it's much thicker so I can show you. And also I put a little bit in a transparent container so you could see as well. I put some cinnamon on top, of course. Yummy. This is how we will have it in Spain. If you're having natillas, it's kind of like when you have a little container and you're going to... So this is the same thing. You buy natillas and you have them like this. And we also do rice pudding, right? We love yogurt, natillas, rice pudding. Those are the things that we have in the supermarket in those little containers. Now, if you're a pastry chef or if you want to do pastry, then you're making this very thick, a little thicker than this. And then that's what you're going to put inside the pastry. So let me show you right now. If you see, this is pretty thick. Look, let me see. It is thick and it will thicken even more. And again, it's vanilla custard, right? So it's really, really yummy vanilla taste. Yummy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have it all. You can also make it with chocolate. If you want, watch my video, chocolate pudding, right here. I hope this helped you. Please, as always, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a Thermomix in your life, please email me right here. Or use my purchase link, it's in the comments. It will give you free shipping when you buy a Thermomix. But please, email me anyway. I wanna be there for you. Thank you.